I have some problems with my toilet seat sliding around and slipping, so I just said, oh, I'll just tighten it up. And you know what happened? As soon as I tightened it up, I just went, and it went snap, and the top of the plastic bolt came right off. So I was like, man, so that didn't work at all. So I went back to the store, and I think I found something to replace this plastic nut that snapped as soon as I tightened it too much. So let's get this toilet seat fixed up right, and let's do it right now. All right, let's start by putting this toilet seat on here. Like that. I already had a toilet seat, but I broke the plastic nuts on it, so I didn't want to go with another one. Plus they were slippery and sliding around, so I went with have metal so the heads won't snap off. That's what we're gonna try here. Just unscrew the bottom, and then this just goes right down in here and the toilet. Boom, just like that. And we're gonna take that nut, finger, that. The other one on the other side. All right, so get them just a little bit snug on both sides, just with your finger tightening, like that. Make sure that the toilet seat is lined up nice. So we'll look at the toilet seat here. Make sure that it's not like, over there or anything. Make sure you got it set where you want it. Like that. Looks pretty good. And then we're going to take a screwdriver and screw that down hard while holding the plastic nut. Just take a screwdriver here. I usually use a bigger one, but this will work fine. Just hold it with your finger. Screw it like this until it's nice and tight on both sides. To get it well done where you like it. Now hopefully these will snap back on. That's the only thing I don't know about. Oh yeah, it's good. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Well, that was another problem that I made and solved all within one day, which is good. So stay tuned for more. Probably check this one out over here somewhere for more.